the UE sound make? Yeah, duh. What does UE make? Ricky, can you help her out with the second one?
Sure.
What is this? What's that word? We have over and
Do.
do. So you put it together. Riley, what do you get?
Overdue.
Overdue. Good.
Or Mountain Dew.
Or Mountain Dew. Jalen, can you do the next one?
Useful.
Useful. Landon, what's the next one? Number 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, what's the word?
N. U, N.
Yeah? On what? What does WR make?
Well,
Not? What's that one? A and P.
We have a long
So,
day.
what? Hat. Wrap.
wrap. So you have, what's that?
N.
Not, what's that all together?
U, N.
Which makes a what sound? On.
Un. Wrap.
Put it all together?
Yun. Wrap.
Good. Gabriella, next one?
Refill.
Good. Ricky, the next one?
Leafy.
Good. What's the next one?
That?
Riley got the next one? This one.
They look like a mix.
Oh, you didn't get that one. How about we do this one? What's that say? UN makes a what sound? Yep. and makes a duh. Nope. What does the O make?
Dough.
Yep. So UN makes a what sound?
Undo.
Undo. Good. This one, Isaac? What's the SP make? SP. If I put S and P together, what sound does it make? S makes a what sound? S makes a what sound? Is this? What about a P? You can do it. You want to ask help? Want to ask Jalen to help you with this one? Jalen, what is this one? What sound does an S and a P make? Spell. So what's that word? Jalen, what's that word?
Misspell.
Good job. You got it done? Okay, you can go sit right over there and we'll do it together, okay?